Coronavirus still raging, case numbers skyrocketing, and we want to find out what may be changing as a new administration comes in. So Dr. Ernst von Schwarz joining us, and he has been our resource here on Fox 11 to find out the latest when it comes to COVID. Dr. von Schwarz, good morning. Thank you for joining us. So it's a historic day in Washington, a new president coming in. We've seen how the other administration, the Trump administration, had handled things so far. What do you expect to see as the major differences when Joe Biden takes over?
Well, first of all, good morning, Joey. Biden said repeatedly, listen to the scientists, which is good for all of us, of course, because without medical science, we are nowhere. The main thing is, I think, that the new administration stated that they want to put in more coordinated federal efforts, use more vaccination sites. Some people said recently vaccines don't save lives, but vaccinations do. So we need more sites. We need to loosen restrictions who can vaccinate it and when in order to really get herd immunity. In addition, they want to introduce some mobile vaccination units, in particular in remote areas, but also for people who are homebound, for example, who can't get out, They can't go to a Dodger Stadium and stand in line for hours to get a vaccine. So the Biden administration has planned to put $20 billion into vaccination efforts, 40 to $50 billion into testing efforts, and another $100 billion also in retrofitting of school buildings, for example, to make them safer, to ensure social distancing in our public education environments and so on. So I think it's positive from our side to what's coming.
From your take, what has been the biggest problem with the vaccine rollout? The vaccines are in certain places, hospitals or doctors may have them, but there's only 40% that have been used or whatever the number is. What's been the biggest problem getting those shots in people's arms?
Well, one of the problems is that, the healthcare workers did get it or getting it right now, but every day I have patients calling me asking, I'm 75 years old, I have heart and lung disease, when and where can I get the vaccine? And it's currently organized by the states and counties. It's not really a concentrated effort to provide a broad vaccination to those at higher risk. I mean, it's planned, but it's not really done. And there's also obviously some problems with the distribution of the vaccines to certain states. So that needs to be better organized and better coordinated to increase really the numbers. And Biden, as you know, said he wants to have 100 million people vaccinated in his first 100 days. So let's see if that happens.
Dr. Ernst von Schwarz, thank you so much for joining us here on Fox 11, the latest on the coronavirus. And a new administration coming in, we expect to see some big changes at the federal level. Thank you. Have a great day.